Yes, every year Nigerians say Happy New Year to everyone. Like I'm going to say to them now, Happy New Year. But the truth of the matter is, nothing changes. The only thing that changes in Nigeria and in the lives of Nigerians simply are the policies from the politicians, the wicked politicians. It's either it makes your life better or it makes your life miserable. Apart from that, and you know that those policies affect your life immediately, if not instantly. Another thing that could change is the plan you planned out already for the year. The way you go about it, the way it works out for you. All those night vigils, all those prayers, it doesn't make any change. I say this to Nigerians not because I'm not laughing at them. I'm not saying anything negative. It's just for them to know that government is their God that could change their lives. So your end of the year resolution against the following year, like 2026, will not be effective if you do not do the right things. So that is why you can hear Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Everybody is shouting, jumping up, eating chicken and rice. At the end of the day, they fall back to the same shit. The same shit. Because the policies are wrongly announced and their own personal plans were not carried out judiciously. So we bid you, we applaud you to do what is right and follow your plans. Most importantly, follow your plans. Follow your plans. Follow it step by step. And if need be, tackle your government. Those your plans may be good plans, but the policies from the government may shatter everything. So I suggest that the politicians should be tackled. Then those your plans will be very effective. That's all I say to you guys. I'm not gonna be negative, not to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone, to all my fans, to everyone, everybody. But make sure that you have a plan. If you don't have anyone, move immediately to have one. And if needs be, the government should be persuaded to do what is right before the citizens so that they can breathe. Without that, the citizen cannot breathe. When the cost of living has skyrocketed on the roof, everything is hard, nothing is reachable by the common man on the street. You don't expect any goodies while they sit back and load all the money in their personal account, creates chaos all over the country and enjoy with their families alone. While you, as an ordinary citizen, pass through problems and hardships. So that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to leave you guys here. Happy New Year to you all. But it doesn't end there, like I said. Do the right thing, have the right plans, and tackle your government to change things and to have good plans and good policies. That is the solution to you being happy. Nothing more than that. I stop here. Happy New Year.